One of the biggest concerns people have about EVs is battery life. Will it fade in just a few years? Will it be stuck as an expensive paperweight on wheels? The truth is, we don't have decades of real-world data like we do with gas engines, but now we have one fascinating case study, a Tesla Model 3 with more than 255,000 miles on the odometer. A mechanic shared his experience. He said this was the highest mileage Tesla he had ever worked on. He expected major drivetrain repairs. Instead, the car only needed new motor mounts, rubber bushings that cost you about $85 and took 7 hours to swap out. That's it. Then came the real shocker. After more than 250,000 miles, the battery still had 88 to 90% of its original capacity. That means this car can still travel nearly as far on a charge as it did brand new. So how did this old battery stay healthy? The mechanic noticed something interesting in the car's charging history. Out of nearly 50,000 kilowatt hours of energy used, only about 15,500 kilowatt hours came from fast charging. The rest, over 38,000 kilowatt hours, or 71%, was from regular slow charging, like plugging in overnight at home. Experts believe that avoiding too much fast charging keeps EV batteries cooler and healthier long term, and this car might be the proof. Think about it, a gas or diesel car with 255,000 miles usually need major repairs, new transmission, rebuilt engine, expensive overhauls, but this Tesla, just some rubber mounts and a battery that's still going strong. It shows that EV batteries, when cared for properly, can last far longer than skeptics think. And the cost savings on maintenance could be massive compared to traditional cars. So after 250,000 miles, this Tesla battery is still nearly like new. That's huge for anyone worried about EV longevity. The lesson? Limit fast charging when you can, use home charging, and your EV battery could last for the long haul. So what do you think? Would you trust an EV past 250,000 miles? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit like if you learned something new today, and subscribe for more real-world EV stories and tech deep dives. See you in the next one.